QuickBooks Payroll is one of those tools that a lot of small business owners start with because it feels like the default option. It plugs right into QuickBooks accounting. It's a big, familiar brand, and on paper, it looks like it should handle everything from paychecks to taxes without much effort. But if you've been using it for a while, you might have noticed that real life doesn't always line up with that promise. A lot of owners, they talk about pricing that's harder to predict than they originally expected, with a monthly base fee, per employee charges, and extra costs for things like certain tax services or features that they assumed were included. Others get stuck dealing with a clunky or confusing interface, limited reporting that doesn't show what they actually need, or quirks or bugs that make payroll day more stressful than it should be. On top of that, support can feel slow or hit or miss, and smaller teams sometimes feel like QuickBooks Payroll is more complex than they really need. If you're running into those same headaches, or you just don't feel like QuickBooks Payroll is a great fit anymore, let's go ahead and walk through 3 strong alternatives and where they tend to do a little bit better. First, let's start with the one that I'd recommend first for most people who are ready to move on from QuickBooks Payroll, and that's Gusto. Gusto is a full-service payroll platform that's especially popular with small to mid-size businesses that want something modern, easy to navigate, and much less stressful to manage every pay period. If you're running a small team, anywhere from just a couple of employees up to a few dozen or even 100, Gusto hits a really nice balance between power and simplicity. The pricing is typically laid out around a clear monthly base fee plus a per employee cost, with different plan levels depending on how much HR functionality you actually want. The key thing is that it's much easier to see what you're paying for and which features are tied to which plan, instead of dealing with a patchwork of add-ons and surprise increases. That kind of transparency alone makes budgeting a lot less painful compared to the more confusing quotes that some people report with QuickBooks Payroll. Now, feature-wise, you get full service payroll with automatic tax calculations and filings, direct deposit, and year-end forms like W-2s and 1099s handled for you. Employees get their own self-service access where they can view pay stubs, update basic details, and grab their tax forms without constantly bugging you. Gusto also tends to get a lot of love for its clean, intuitive interface, which makes tasks like running payroll, adding new hires, or setting up benefits feel much more straightforward. Now, compared to QuickBooks Payroll, Gusto stands out for being friendlier to the smaller teams, more transparent on pricing, and easier to live in day to day. Now, the main downside is that as you stack on more advanced HR features or premium support, the total cost can climb, so you do want to be intentional about which plan you choose. That said, if Gusto sounds like the right fit, you can click the link right up here or in the description below to check current pricing and see all of the details for yourself. Now, next here, if your top priority is keeping things simple and affordable without feeling like you're, stepping down in quality, OnPay is a really strong option. OnPay is built for small businesses that want payroll to just work without a bunch of the, extra modules that they'll never really touch. So instead of multiple confusing tiers, the pricing is usually very straightforward. A single base monthly fee plus a per employee charge, clearly spelled out so you know what your bill will look like as your team grows. Now, that kind of predictability can feel like a massive upgrade if you're coming from QuickBooks Payroll and you're used to trying to kind of decode why your bill changed this month. Now, on the usability side, OnPay focuses on making setup and everyday tasks as painless as possible. If you're not super technical, this matters a lot. You can onboard employees quickly, run payroll in just a few clicks, and lean on the system to handle tax calculations and filings behind the scenes. For smaller teams or budget-conscious owners, the sweet spot with OnPay is that it covers the essentials like full service payroll, tax filing, basic HR features without drowning you in menus or options that you'll never use. It also means less time training yourself or your staff just to run payroll correctly. Now, the trade-off is that OnPay isn't really designed for larger or highly complex organizations that need deep enterprise level HR tools. Now, if you expect to grow into a more complicated setup with, lots of custom workflows, you may eventually outgrow it. But if you want something that's, easier to manage and easier on the budget, go ahead and check out OnPay using the link in the description below to see how it looks for you. And from here, kind of on the other end of the spectrum, right? If your business is growing really quickly or already has more complex needs, ADP can be a powerful alternative to QuickBooks Payroll. ADP has been around for a long time, and it is built with scaling in mind, which makes it a good fit for companies that are adding employees regularly, have multiple locations, or need tighter control over HR and compliance. Instead of just, handling basic payroll, ADP can handle, payroll with benefits administration, time and attendance, and broader HR tools with a single ecosystem. You can set up more advanced automation, build approval workflows, and tap into deeper integrations with other software that you're using to run the business. Now, for a team that's, moving from a simple setup into something more complex, that can mean less manual work, fewer mistakes, and a lot more confidence that your processes won't fall apart as you grow. Now, compared to QuickBooks Payroll, ADP often offers more sophisticated tools for things like, handling multiple states, different pay groups, or more detailed reporting. Now, that's a big deal if you've been bumping into kind of the limits of QuickBooks Payroll, right? And you should also know that there are some trade-offs though. So ADP's pricing can be higher and more modular, which means you may need to talk through bundles and options to really understand what you'll pay. Now, there's also more to configure, right? So expect a bit more of a learning curve. But if you're thinking longer term and you want a platform that can really grow with you, ADP is worth a look. And again, the link for that is down in the description below. That said, I know you might still be shopping around, so let's talk about what to really look for in payroll software. So no matter which platform you end up choosing, there are a few big things that you should look for when you're evaluating payroll software. First, you want to make sure that the pricing is transparent. You should be able to clearly see the base monthly fee, the per employee cost, and which features are included versus which ones cost extra. If you have to talk to sales just to get a basic idea of what you'll pay, that's usually a sign that things could get confusing later. Next, focus on reliable automation and tax filing. You want the system to calculate pay correctly, stay compliant with federal and state rules, file your payroll taxes on time, and generate year-end forms without turning it into a second job. Accuracy here isn't just a nice to have, right? It keeps you out of trouble. Ease of use also should be high on your list too. On the admin side, it should be really straightforward to run payroll, add new employees, fix mistakes, and see the information that you actually care about. Now, for employees, a simple self-service portal where they can, view pay stubs and access their tax forms, that can save you a ton of back and forth as well. Also, pay attention to integration. So your payroll system, it should connect smoothly with your, accounting tools, time tracking, and any HR software that you already use. Also, make sure to add in, responsive customer support and the ability to scale with you. And you've got a solid checklist to compare providers against. That said, let's go ahead and wrap this up. So if you're feeling kind of burned out on QuickBooks Payroll and you just want something that really fits your business better, again, Gusto is the best starting point for most people. It gives you a nice mix of features, usability, and clear pricing that works really well for a wide range of small to mid-sized teams. If you're more focused on, keeping things super simple and budget friendly, OnPay is also a great option to consider. And if you're planning for serious growth and need deeper automation instead and integrations, ADP is built to handle that kind of scale. That all said, since Gusto is the #1 alternative that I recommend, you can find the link right up here, but all the links to these platforms are down in the description below, and those go to the best deals or the current best pricing that I've been able to find as well. Now, using those links helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. So as you may have guessed, I do really appreciate that as well. That said, let me know in the comments what you're using now, what's frustrating you, and which platform you're really leaning towards. I do read the comments and I use your feedback to decide what videos to make next, and I will respond to you if I think that I can add value. That all said, thanks so much for watching this video as always, and I will see you in the next one.